Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing, and this particular item, I got this from Saks Fifth Avenue. I got this a few weeks ago and I just got a chance to unbox it. That's because I've been so busy at work. And that day when I purchased this piece, they have a promotion that if you spend from $250 up to $3,000, you will earn as much as $700 back. So you will get a cash back in the form of a gift card. So anyway, so this is the box that came in with. Okay, this is the Saks Fifth Avenue. I'm going to give you more details on this, how I got some discounts on this piece, and it was like a great deal. So if you're looking for gifts for the holiday, you might want to check Saks Fifth Avenue because I am actually loving their cash back. So anyway, we have the receipt. So let me just check this one. Okay, the receipt, and okay. So I also got this. This is the promotional gift card, valid through 12/18/2021. So I got the receipt and this one. I'm going to talk about this promotional gift later as soon as I showed you the item. So they wrap it like this in this box. Okay, so that's the black tissue paper. And okay. So this is what I purchased. It is a San Luron, an Yves Saint Laurent item. And wow, look at that. So yeah, these are just their booklets. And wow, it came in with the dust bag. Wow, the dust bag is actually nice for this piece. And let me show you what I got. Wow. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this piece. Oh, wow. Here she is. Wow, very, very nice. This is the front, and this is the back. Oh my goodness. This is the Yves Saint Laurent monogram metalace leather pouch. Wow, as you guys can see right here, this one right here, the chevron quilting is actually very nice. It is so pronounced and it is really, really soft. Wow, very lovely. And also the grain is absolutely beautiful. Looks very shiny though. Wow. And I also love that this this one is more like a rectangular shape. Like that. This is a small little pouch. Wow, I've been eyeing this for quite some time, and I just I saw it in the website and I said, I think this is the great time for me to add this in my collection. Not only I am actually getting a promotional gift card, as well as I could actually use my Saks Fifth gift card, as well as using a Rakuten. So like I'm telling you guys, I got a great deal on this item because on that day when I purchased this, I got an additional 12% cash back from Rakuten, and that was like, that's amazing. Yeah, I think it's 12%, but anyway, regardless, I know I got more than 10% cash back for Rakuten, which is a great deal. Plus, because this one is a little over $500, I got this for $545 US. I earned $75 of promotional gift card that I can be used through 12/18/2021. I mean, the good thing about Saks is they have a Louis Vuitton store. And you could also use this one as well at LV. But, well, yeah, most of the time I shopped at the flagship store. I wasn't just really not sure about the Saks Louis Vuitton because I don't have a really good experience at that store. But anyway, So this is how it looks. Those beautiful, beautiful gold Yves Saint Laurent insignia right there. Very beautiful. And then this one has a front slip pocket right here. Right there. This one has a gold zipper. It says right there the logo, the YSL. And then the teeth and also the zipper is metal as well, and this gold hardware. Let's take a look at inside. The inside has this slip pocket right here. Oh, there's a side pocket on this corner. It says Yves Saint Laurent. No, San Luron Paris, made in Italy. So the inside is actually lined with sort of fabric, but it's not microfiber. Maybe it's a microfiber, but it's smooth though. It's soft, but I don't think this is a microfiber. And also there's a logo. Oh, this is the code right there. And then that's pretty much what's inside. And let's take a look at on this side as well. Okay, this one is the card slots. So we have 1, 2, 3 card slots. I don't know what are these stuff. Oh, this is just a product code. Yeah, they gave me 3. That's amazing. That's crazy. So 1, 2, 3 of these. Surprisingly, this is actually cute. So you could just to get an access with an easy access with your card, you could do that as well. And also the green feels so beautiful. Wow. And also, as you guys could see right there, it is engraved with San Luron Pouch right here. You could see that. Wow, very nice. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it that far, but if you get up close, you'll be able to see that it was engraved. And then this one is like, you could use this as a wristlet. Where is, oh, it's right here. So this one, they put it separately, so you could just put this one like that. And that one is, wow, it is amazing. This one is so beautiful. Love it. And also this one came in with 2 other colors, which is the fog, the gray color with a gold hardware. And then they also have it in fuchsia pink. So this one is priced as $545 US. That's before tax. And yeah, last time when I purchased this a few weeks ago, if you spend $250, you will get $35 promotional gift card. If you spend $500, you'll get $75. Since I spend $500, I have $75 here. If you purchase up to $3,000, you will get $700 promotional card. That is a great deal, guys. Plus the Rakuten. So yeah, I think it's a great deal. And you will definitely get a lot of savings in this. This is like a perfect way to shop if you'll get this back-to-back discounts. And also, since that promotion when I purchased it, it's over, now they have a Black Friday promotion. So I don't know when it's gonna last, but there are actually, this is for the Black Friday, and I think this one is already live now. You could start using this. So for the full price, if you spend $250 US, you will get $50 promotional card. It's even more. For $500, you will get $100. For $750, you will get $150 US. For $1,000, you will get $200. But I don't know. Last time, if you spend $3,000, you'll get up to $700. But this time around, it is only up to $1,000. You will get $200. So regardless, it's a great deal though. It is a great deal for Black Friday. They have a lot of things to choose from. This one is available for full price only. You will be able to see that if the item is eligible or not. But don't forget at the checkout to put the code, use the code SGNOVSF. So this is only applies for online purchases. So don't forget at the checkout, because it's not automatic. You have to use the code. And on top of that, if you have a ShopRunner, because I've been a member for ShopRunner in such a long time, and I love that feature because it allows you to purchase an item and expedite your purchase in 2 days. Since now there is a lot of, we're getting close towards Christmas, there's going to be a lot of demands for orders online. I'm pretty sure I've purchased several stuff already and it has been delayed for almost a week. So I would suggest to use a ShopRunner, because yeah, your item will definitely gonna be shipped out in the next couple of days, and to avoid the delays, because usually if you're not going to expedite the shipping, it may take at least a week or so. It depends though. It depends on the demand. It depends on how busy they are, but we don't want that delays, and that we're making sure that we're getting our purchases in time for Christmas. So to avoid delays as much as possible, if you get an opportunity to use ShopRunner, use it, because I have several orders already that is gonna be delayed. And also I have several items that I purchased online that I've spent at least $20 to expedite for 2 days, because I know that there's going to be a delay no matter what. There is going to be the delay because there's going to be so much demands for the holiday. So yeah, this is my latest purchase from Saks Fifth Avenue. It's a beautiful Yves Saint Laurent pouch. Beautiful. Oh wow, so lovely. It's so beautiful. I love the quilting on this. I love the hardware. This goes with any of your outfit. Absolutely. It could fit your phone, definitely, because this one has sort of like a substantial length to it, and this one has a pocket right here in front. At the back, there is a lot of pockets, a lot of options, and I think this is the perfect item that I have selected among the Yves Saint Laurent. If you want a great deal, check the Saks Fifth Avenue website. I mean, it is a great deal. They have this great promotion for the holiday. I mean, back-to-back savings. Use your Rakuten together with the code for the Black Friday. So anyway, that's it for today, guys, and have a great Thanksgiving. Bye.